Vladimir Putin's Russia revealed its first-ever advanced robot army, equipped with cutting-edge AI technology and military drones in a bold move that has the world on edge. This groundbreaking force is designed with one goal in mind: to confront the United States on the battlefield. As tensions with the United States and NATO escalate, these new technologies are designed for future confrontations on the battlefield. In this video, we'll explore these high-tech combat systems and what this escalation means for the future of global defense. The Sukhoi S-70 is a state-of-the-art stealth unmanned combat aerial vehicle meticulously engineered to operate in tandem with Russia's formidable Su-57 fighter jets. This advanced integration significantly amplifies their combined combat effectiveness through sophisticated network-centric operations. Leveraging cutting-edge stealth technology, the S-70 is ingeniously designed to maintain an exceptionally low radar cross-section, enabling it to remain virtually undetected while executing high-risk missions. These missions encompass a wide range of critical operations, including but not limited to intelligence, surveillance, and reconnaissance tasks, as well as precision air-to-ground strike capabilities. In its role as an autonomous wingman for the Su-57, the S-70 dramatically extends the fighter jet's operational reach and situational awareness. Furthermore, the S-70's ability to carry and deploy a diverse array of munitions significantly augments the strike capabilities of the manned-unmanned teaming concept, providing commanders with increased tactical flexibility and force multiplication effects. The humanoid robot Fedor, developed by Russian engineers, represents an impressive leap in robotics with its versatile capabilities. Designed for high-risk scenarios and space exploration, Fedor can operate both autonomously and via a human operator equipped with a specialized control suit. Its dual purpose centers on rescuing individuals in perilous environments, like collapsed buildings, and performing complex tasks during space missions. Controversy arose when Fedor's ability to shoot with both hands was revealed, prompting international sanctions that halted the supply of critical foreign components, such as gears, sensors, and cameras. Despite this, Russian developers have pushed forward, substituting imported parts with domestic alternatives, ensuring Fedor's continued evolution. Fedor also excels physically, capable of performing both transverse and longitudinal splits, earning it a world record. Standing 180 centimeters tall and weighing between 105 and 106 kilograms, this robot is a formidable technological achievement for Russia. The Sernik is another significant addition to Russia's robotic arsenal. This armored tracked vehicle is designed for a wide range of operational tasks, including reconnaissance, demining, and the protection of key infrastructure. Weighing less than 7 tons, Sernik can reach speeds of 40 kilometers per hour and operates remotely with a control radius of up to 10 kilometers. Its versatility extends to fire support, ammunition, and fuel transport, and casualty evacuation. Sernik's armored hull can withstand gunfire up to a 7.62 mm caliber, and its modular design allows it to be equipped with a variety of combat systems, including 7.62 and 12.7 mm machine guns, grenade launchers, and Kornet anti-tank missiles. The Orlan-30 marks a substantial advancement in Russia's unmanned aerial reconnaissance capabilities, representing a significant evolution from its predecessors in the Orlan series. This cutting-edge UAV incorporates state-of-the-art surveillance technology and boasts an impressively extended operational range, pushing the boundaries of what was previously achievable in aerial reconnaissance missions. The Orlan-30's sophisticated systems are meticulously designed for a multitude of critical tasks, including high-resolution intelligence gathering, precise target acquisition, and real-time battlefield monitoring. In the realm of intelligence gathering, the Orlan-30 utilizes advanced sensors and imaging systems to collect detailed information about enemy positions, movements, and assets. Its target acquisition capabilities are equally impressive, employing sophisticated algorithms to identify and track potential threats with remarkable accuracy. Marker is a smaller robotic platform that highlights Russia's growing capabilities in autonomous warfare. Its advanced systems allow it to cover 1,000 kilometers autonomously, carry heavy loads, and even evacuate wounded soldiers from the battlefield. Designed for both urban and traditional combat zones, Marker has proven its reliability during both training exercises and live combat. Its hybrid mode allows for both remote control and autonomous operation, with developers boasting its ability to perform tasks like automatic cargo delivery and retrieval using a hydraulic manipulator. Its endurance, up to 50 hours of operation on a single fuel load, makes Marker a critical tool in extended combat scenarios. UMPK glide bombs represent a significant advancement in Russia's air-to-ground munitions technology, showcasing the country's commitment to developing sophisticated, precision-guided weapons. These state-of-the-art bombs are meticulously engineered to dramatically extend the range and enhance the accuracy of airstrikes, allowing Russian aircraft to deploy them from considerable distances while still maintaining remarkable precision. This capability is particularly crucial in modern warfare scenarios, where the ability to strike targets accurately from afar can be a decisive factor. The UMPK system's innovative design incorporates advanced guidance mechanisms and aerodynamic features that enable the bombs to glide towards their targets with unprecedented accuracy. This extended range not only enhances the lethality of aerial bombardments, but also significantly reduces the exposure of Russian aircraft to enemy air defense systems. The NCTA combat robot is a sophisticated platform that integrates multiple robotic systems under a single control network, giving operators the flexibility to either manage it remotely or directly on the battlefield. The system allows for pre-programming of target grids and battlefield zones, reducing the need for constant manual control. During combat, special forces can select from preset tasks, enabling the NCTA to carry out operations like reconnaissance, fire adjustment, and the delivery of ammunition to frontline positions. Its advanced design and tactical versatility make it a valuable asset for modern warfare, reducing the need for human soldiers in dangerous scenarios. The TOS-2, a significant advancement in Russia's artillery and area denial capabilities, represents a formidable upgrade to their existing weaponry. This state-of-the-art system is engineered to deliver an unprecedented level of firepower, utilizing thermobaric rockets that can cause extensive devastation across a substantial area. The psychological impact of the TOS-2 on adversaries cannot be overstated, as its mere presence on the battlefield serves as a potent deterrent and a tool for psychological warfare. In terms of design, the TOS-2 boasts superior mobility compared to its predecessors, allowing for rapid deployment across various terrains and combat scenarios. This enhanced mobility is complemented by cutting-edge targeting systems, which significantly improve the accuracy and effectiveness of each launch. As a heavy flamethrower system, the TOS-2 considerably bolsters Russia's capacity to conduct large-scale operations. Its primary function extends beyond mere destruction. It excels in disrupting enemy positions, breaking defensive lines, and severely impacting enemy morale. The Lancet-3 stands out as an exceptionally effective loitering munition, meticulously engineered to autonomously identify and neutralize enemy targets with remarkable precision. This advanced drone system boasts significant improvements in speed, operational range, and destructive capability, positioning it at the forefront of modern warfare technology. In comparison to its Western counterparts, such as the Switchblade 600, the Lancet-3 demonstrates superior performance across a wide spectrum of both offensive and defensive scenarios, showcasing Russia's commitment to pushing the boundaries of unmanned combat systems. One of the Lancet-3's most notable features is its enhanced warhead, which, coupled with an extended operational range, significantly broadens its tactical versatility on the battlefield. This formidable combination enables the Lancet-3 to effectively engage and neutralize a diverse array of targets, from heavily armored vehicles to other airborne drones, making it an invaluable asset in modern combat situations. The Uran-9, a combat-ready UGV, is one of the most formidable combat robots in existence. Visually resembling an infantry fighting vehicle, this 10-ton robotic platform measures 4.5 meters in length and 2 meters in width. The Uran-9 is armed with a TOS-2 automatic cannon, a machine gun, and launchers for 9M 120 Ataka anti-tank missiles, with the option of equipping Igla anti-aircraft missiles for aerial defense. Additionally, 6 reactive flamethrowers are mounted on its turret. Unlike any Western UGVs in terms of firepower, the Uran-9 has seen combat in Syria, where it demonstrated its capabilities, although early tests revealed technical shortcomings. Nonetheless, this platform significantly narrowed the technological gap between Russian and Western military robotics. Initially developed for medium-altitude long-endurance operations, the Grom UCAV has undergone design adjustments to prioritize speed over stealth. Originally conceived to carry significant payloads and potentially control other drones in combat, the Grom's role has shifted toward delivering rapid, decisive strikes from medium altitudes. This change in focus aligns with Russia's evolving combat strategy, emphasizing quick, high-impact engagements over prolonged missions. The Grom remains a vital component in Russia's UCAV fleet, offering operational flexibility and firepower. Thanks for watching, and make sure to hit the like button, subscribe, and put notifications on to stay updated on everything related to AI and robotics.